So we talked about the placement and then the effect of bid. Okay, like you can see you are spending 500 rupees. You're getting around 2000 clicks at a cost of half rupee or quarter rupee. Okay. Then after that, the next thing is creating an ad. Creating an ad is critically very important. The first thing is what you want to communicate should be very clear to your audience. It should not be a normal banner that says XYZ thing and then it starts. Okay, it should be like how should I say? It should be like an attractive and talking to your audience banner. Like if you are targeting business owners, then it should simply say that learn how to track and monitor the digital marketing performance of your team or agency. Okay, simple, easy, and easy, like simple, easy, and communicating directly to the business owners. What should they do? Okay, like for students, it should be learn digital marketing, upskill, get job, or do freelancing. Simple banner, simple content, and communication is there. So that kind of content you should create personalized form of content instead of just creating a content which is very normal. Nobody gets attracted to it, or simply saying a digital marketing course won't help you. So your content in display ad should be like that. Now, when before I go ahead and talk about details of it, let's learn what are the components in it. Okay, the first component is final URL. Final URL, as similar to search ads, when you click on the ad, it will reach to the user. It will take user to that particular final page URL. Okay, second is images. So you can add two images and logo over here. One image for square where Google can play a square image. One image where it can play it as a landscape, means a lot of horizontal. Okay, then after that you can add a video as well to target. After that, similar to our search campaigns, you have a headline and a description. Okay, headline of 30 characters and description of 90 characters. There is one additional thing over here is long headline. What is a long headline? When Google doesn't have enough space to showcase the headline or the description together of 120 characters, then Google decides will show only the long headline. Okay, so long headline should be a combination of headline and description. Okay, and it is one single headline, whereas in long headline could be one description or heading could be five, like five different combinations Google can create and show it to your users. Then next is nothing. Okay, so let's go ahead. Start with final URL. We were making this ad for content marketing. Let's go on Henry Harvin website. If my system allows me. Okay, so I have content marketing in that content writing course. This is your final URL. Okay, so you want to take your user to that. You can create specialized landing page also for that, where a different page for entrepreneurs, different page for working professionals, and different page for the students, or a combined page for that. Okay, where you are talking about all the three aspects. Then is images. You can put the URL of the website and Google can pick it from there, or you can upload it from your system. Third option is you can use Google stock images, like if I type digital marketing over here. You will see a lot of images which are there, which you can use, stock images. Next is recently used images, the images you have uploaded recently from the system, like this image I want to use. Okay, so I can select it in both the modes or in a specific size. Okay, and this is logo. Select logo. Although we have to convert it into a proper size, but for the time being, let's leave it. Okay, the image should be in square, like our image is in not in square, that's why it is appearing like this. It should be in a size of 1:1 or 4:1. Okay, so let me select that. Then let's suppose we are promoting content writing course, so we will use this image. So that's perfect. So the image size is 1200 into 628. Another size is 1000 into 1000. I believe this is not 1000 by 1000 size. Okay, this is 1000 by 1000 or 1200 by 1200 size. Let's make ad for this instead of content writing because I don't have an image for content writing. Okay. Then three assets. Asset means what you are going to use. You can add up to 50 images and 5 logos. Okay. So over here you can see an image. Okay, logo, image logo in different sizes. You can see that. Okay. Next is headline. Headline is primarily there is some ideas they have given. You can use that ideas based on the account, or you can write based on the above selection. You can select that, or you can write your own, like learn simple. I'm keeping it simple. Learn Six Sigma, uh, green belt. I'm not sure will come. Okay, so I have written learn Six Sigma green belt, or you can type Six Sigma green belt course certification will not come. In the long headline, you can add value to it. Okay, a proper headline. You can make a detailed addition to it, certification course. Mm. Six Sigma Green Belt certification course from Henry Harvin or from top 3 rated institute or course from training. Okay, okay. So you add a value. If you are not able to write it, you can write it. Six Sigma Green Belt certification course, rated top 3 courses in India if we can write by, not from, by training 360. Simple, easy for user to recognize and why he should click. Similar kind of description you can write, but keep one thing in mind, don't repeat words. Like Six Sigma certification, you have already written in headline, so no need to write it again. Okay, simple. It can start with uh, top three rated course by in India by Henry Harvin. Okay, and then add a few points like get LMS and whatever USP of the product are, you can write that like we did in the terms of Google search campaign also. Okay. Similarly, you can write description 2, description 3. It's not mandatory. One description, one headline, and a long headline is essential. Okay. Once you create it, your campaign is ready. Okay. I'm not saving it for one simple reason that campaign name is CDCW. I am targeting digital marketing and created an ad for Six Sigma. So what will happen is the whole campaign needs to get changed. So that's why I'm not saving it. Otherwise, this is how you can create it. Any doubts in creating ads in display campaign? Please let me know, guys. Okay. Okay, I believe there is no question. So let me go ahead and this once you click on create a campaign, it will be automatically saved.
Just one small thing.
Yeah, please go ahead.
In the create your ads, you can also upload display ads. So if you have
Yeah.
like,
Yep.
so say you create an ad on say Canva or some display ad you have, then you can
Yep.
upload it. But then it has to match the size and the parameters of the goal.
Okay. Let me unsave. Okay.
Yes, this one. Yeah,
If in case you want to upload ads, what you have to click on upload display ads. So I will click on leave. Okay. So my all the other ads is gone. The sizes for the ad which you can upload not only JPG, you can upload GIF or you can upload HTML5 ads also. And if you talk about sizes, uh, then these are the different sizes which are uh, marked over here as I information. And these are the sizes. And responsive ads, when you upload, it automatically convert into each size.
okay, so maybe it means that you can select, I mean, check any of these sizes and create an ad, say, on a tool like Canva, and save that file as JPG, and then just upload it here.
Yeah,
Or PNG.
yeah, correct.
Okay. This is good.
Okay. Or if you don't have Canva or you don't have skill set or you don't want to spend money on it, what you can do is you can upload this.
You can upload?
You can create responsive ads where basic information of the banner is required. Okay, and it will convert into all the sizes automatically. Okay.
So how will Google convert? Supposing as I upload a size or
Responsive ads, na? Not these uploaded ads, responsive ads. Google create into each and every size, like we have seen previously.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, all the content has gone, but you can see automatically Google manages in all sides.
So which is better? I mean, preparing on say Canva and then uploading here, or making it right here only?
Make a responsive ad is always better,
Hmm.
because reason being it can be displayed on all the
Any platform.
it can be created in all the sizes, and sometimes you have to place a text only where there is no option for placing the content,
Hmm.
sorry, image. Then this ad will work, your ad will fail off.
Hmm.
Okay, your ad means here the uploaded ad. I'm not saying your ad is the
Yeah, I
upload.
know. So,
Okay, so that's all in it. Now there are two things left. That is conversion tracking and remarketing. So let's do first conversion tracking, and then we will do the tracking. Okay, so for conversion tracking, what you have to do is you have to click on tools and settings. Before I go ahead and do the conversion tracking, any one of you would like to share a screen and I will tell you how to do it. If you have a website and you have a backend panel of that website, so I can show you how it is set up and how in a minute it starts working. Sometimes it takes up to 24 hours also to get verified, but sometimes it gets verified in within a minute. So if anyone would like, who has a website ready, who has a, I can share. I have a C panel on GoDaddy. Mm, do you have a backend to edit the content of the web page, Aditya? Okay, then you share it and you share your screen so that, because it's already set up, I can't show it in this account how to do it, but in your account I will show it. Okay, but wait for a minute. Let me show you, explain you the concept, how it works. Then you can go ahead and share your screen after I'm explaining it to you. Till the time, if anyone has a question, please go ahead and ask me. And Aditya, you can open your C panel, also your backend panel of your website and your Google AdWords. Okay. So when you share your screen, everything is with me.